Ever wished you could sing like your favorite K-pop idols, effortlessly hitting every note with precision and power? Whether you're dreaming of becoming the next K-pop idol or just want to impress your friends at karaoke night, this video is your ultimate guide to mastering the art of singing. I'll be sharing 10 game-changing tips that will transform your vocal skills. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any video. Let's get started. Tip 1. Warm up your voice. Your voice is your instrument, and just like any instrument, it requires preparation before it can perform at its best. Before you sing, take the time to warm up your voice. Without warming up, you risk straining your vocal cords and possibly causing long-term damage. Warming up helps enhance your vocal abilities. It loosens up your vocal muscles, expands your vocal range, and eliminates any vocal flaws. Here are some examples of a few warm-ups you can do: humming, lip trills, breathing exercises, vowel sounds, scales, and arpeggios. Tip 2. Singing posture. When singing, your body is your instrument. The way that you hold it will affect your sound. Good singing posture has 2 key elements. 1. It has to be flexible enough to allow for expansion and optimal sound production. 2. It has to be efficient, so that you are not expending any extra effort or creating too much tension. To get a good singing posture, you need to stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, distributing your weight evenly. Align your body by imagining a straight line from the top of your head to your feet, ensuring your ears, shoulders, hips, and feet are in line. Keep your shoulders relaxed and slightly back, avoid tension, and engage your core gently to support breath control. Lift your chest slightly to allow for better lung expansion, and keep your head level with your chin parallel to the ground. Avoid jutting your head forward or tilting it up or down. Try to keep your body feeling as natural and comfortable as possible. Tip 3. Find your volume. Finding the right volume for your singing voice is crucial. If your volume is off, you might sing too softly or too loudly, which can cause your voice to crack or sound flat. Every singer has an ideal volume that suits them best. Once you identify yours, you'll feel more comfortable and confident with your voice. To discover your perfect volume, try pretending you're performing on stage. Sing a few notes at a volume that feels natural and comfortable to you. Ensure it's loud enough for everyone in the audience to hear clearly, but avoid shouting or whispering. Practicing this way will help you maintain a strong and clear voice. In addition to finding the right volume, it's important to understand your vocal range. Knowing whether you are a soprano, alto, tenor, or bass will help you choose songs that fit your voice and avoid straining it. To determine your vocal range, try singing scales from the lowest note you can comfortably sing to the highest. This will give you a good idea of where your voice fits best and help you sing within your capabilities. Combining the right volume with a clear understanding of your vocal range will make your singing more enjoyable and effective. Tip 4. Practice every day. You've probably heard the saying, "Practice makes perfect," many times. This is true for your voice too. Many people mistakenly believe that because the voice isn't a visible instrument like a guitar or piano, it doesn't require much effort to improve. That's not correct. To get better at singing, you need to practice regularly. Bad singers can become good, and good singers can become great with daily practice. This helps you improve your vocal technique and build confidence. Your voice is like a muscle that needs exercise to stay strong. Try to practice every day, even if it's just for a little while. This is the best way to become a better singer. Whether you're warming up, singing scales, or singing to your favorite songs, daily practice will help you improve over time. Tip 5. Don't force your voice. It may seem obvious, but if something is hurting, you're doing something wrong. Unlike other instruments that can be played for hours on end, your vocal cords can only handle so much. Experts recommend practicing for 30 minutes to 2 hours a day at most, with the average being around 1 hour. To improve your singing skills, you need to practice every day, but be careful not to overdo it. You definitely don't want to damage your vocal cords. Listen to your body, take breaks when needed, and ensure you're using proper techniques to avoid strain. Tip 6. Try singing into a microphone. Many people don't realize it, but you will sound different when you hear your voice recorded compared to how you hear it while singing. This is because when we speak, we hear a different sound than everyone else does. Sound travels in a straight wave. When it travels from your mouth to someone else's ears, they hear your true voice. However, when you hear yourself, the sound travels around your head to reach your ears, causing shifts in the frequencies. This doesn't make your voice bad, just different from what you're used to. Singing into a microphone and listening to the recording can help you hear what you truly sound like. This practice allows you to adjust your singing technique and improve your performance. Tip 7. Learn how to play instruments. Learning to play an instrument can greatly enhance your singing abilities. When you understand the basics of playing an instrument like the piano or guitar, you gain a better grasp of music theory, rhythm, and melody. This knowledge can help you stay in tune and improve your timing. Playing an instrument also makes it easier to accompany yourself while singing, giving you more control over your practice sessions. It allows you to experiment with different musical styles and helps you become a more well-rounded musician. Additionally, playing an instrument can boost your confidence on stage. You'll have a deeper connection to the music, making your performances more engaging and dynamic. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your skills, learning an instrument is a valuable step in your musical journey. Tip 8. Don't try to copy your idol's voice. Admiring your favorite singers is great, but trying to copy their voice can hold you back. Every singer has a unique voice, and imitating someone else can stop you from finding yours. Focusing on sounding like your idol can strain your vocal cords and cause frustration. Instead, embrace your natural voice and work on improving your own strengths. Being yourself will make you stand out. Inspiration is good, but the best singers are those who are original and authentic. Tip 9. Express your emotions through singing. One of the most powerful aspects of singing is the ability to convey emotions. When you sing, let your feelings come through in your voice. Whether you're happy, sad, angry, or excited, express those emotions to connect with your audience. To do this, think about the meaning of the song and relate it to your own experiences. Use your facial expressions, body language, and vocal tone to bring the song to life. This will make your performance more authentic and engaging. Singing isn't just about hitting the right notes, it's about telling a story and making people feel something. Let your emotions guide your performance, and you'll create a deeper connection with your listeners. Tip 10. Be confident. Confidence is key to a great singing performance. Believe in yourself and your abilities. When you're confident, your voice will be stronger, and your audience will feel your energy. Make sure to sing clearly so that every word is understood. Pronounce each word carefully and practice your diction. Clear words make your singing more powerful and help convey the song's message. Confidence and clear articulation go hand in hand. Stand tall, take a deep breath, and let your voice shine with clarity and conviction. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. For more videos, click on one of the pictures on the screen.